Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on tutorials point. In today's video I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can search for reels in Instagram. Now for you to do that, make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up the Instagram application. Once the Instagram application opens up, on the bottom of your screen you'll see this search option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the search option, on the top of your screen you'll see this search bar. Go ahead and click on it and search for something that you want to see. So let's say you search for football. You will be on this page where you will see all the posts and reels. Now if you just want to see the reels, on this menu scroll to the right and you'll see this reels option. Go ahead and click on it, and once you click on that and once it loads, reels will be searched on Instagram. I hope this video helped you to search for reels on Instagram. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.